The JustSmart 9000 BTU mini split air conditioner and heater is a compact, high-efficiency solution for year-round climate control. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this air conditioner in the description below at the latest price. Designed to cool or heat spaces up to 450 square feet, it combines powerful performance with an ultra-quiet 32 dB noise level, making it ideal for bedrooms, home offices, and relaxation zones. With SEER 218.5 rated inverter technology, this unit is built to optimize energy savings while delivering consistent, rapid temperature adjustments, keeping your space comfortable in any season. This ductless system is more than just a cooling unit. It's equipped with a built-in heater, dehumidifier, turbo cooling, and auto-clean functionality, giving you complete environmental control. The included installation kit makes it DIY-friendly, although professional installation is recommended for proper electrical setup and refrigerant management. It comes with everything you need: a remote control, copper lines, a drain hose, and a step-by-step installation guide. Smart integration is a standout feature. Control the system from anywhere using Alexa, Google Home, or the dedicated app. Set schedules, activate sleep mode, or adjust humidity settings with ease, even when you're away from home. Durability and sustainability are also key advantages. The JustSmart Mini Split uses R32 refrigerant, which is more environmentally friendly than older variants. It's constructed with rust-resistant copper coils and features a self-cleaning dust filter to extend its lifespan while reducing maintenance. The unit is protected by a 5-year warranty on the compressor, giving you peace of mind and long-term value. Whether you're outfitting a coastal home, a high-humidity environment, or simply want a quieter, smarter HVAC alternative, the JustSmart Mini Split offers a professional-grade, all-in-one solution tailored for modern living.